If you have a smartphone and want to make money with it, this video is for you. You won't need to take out any financial advances because the method in today's video is completely free. You'll be set to go after downloading the free application we'll demonstrate in today's video. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Now, there in front of your eyes is the name of our first website, and don't worry, I'll teach you in a minute how to get to this page by using the URL that I'll reveal later. Here's what you'll find on their website: a superior user testing tool with no subscription or monthly payments required. Get more information from our team of expert testers. No membership is required. New monthly fees of $60 per subscriber are being tested. You'll see after scrolling down a little that this website is trusted by over 500 firms, some of which are very significant and well known in the field. They have over 140,000 qualified testers worldwide and over 500 satisfied customers who utilize UserFeel to improve their website or app. They also demonstrated how UserFeel compares to other prominent user testing tools, such as the lack of subscription fee. They'll display the price of subscription plans among other things. Why do user testing? You might ask. How come individuals are paid to test things? And here's why it can assist you figure out what your users' problems, doubts, requirements, and desires are. Knowing this can help you come up with high-impact ideas for enhancing the usability, conversion rate, and revenue of your website. It assists you in discovering issues that you were unaware of on desktop and mobile in various browser kinds. Fixing these flaws as soon as possible can help you decrease exit rates and enhance conversion rates. Okay, now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Get Paid to Test under the tester area, since we're not here as customers, but as people who want to make money with their phones. So click here and it'll take us to this page, Become a Tester. Now, please fill out all of this information, such as your first name, last name, and email address, and then confirm your country. As you can see, this is available worldwide, so don't worry if you're not from the United States. The following steps are to enter your birth year, password, confirm it, and so on. You can read all of their commonly asked questions about becoming a tester on this page by clicking on this. Earn $10 per test by becoming a tester. Each test takes 10 to 20 minutes to complete and can be done on your computer or smartphone at home. To learn what our customer wants from a tester, read the guidelines below and watch the example films. What do usability testers actually perform? They test the usability of websites. Their duty is to picture a scenario and complete specific tasks, such as discovering a product in an online store and completing the checkout process. This aids site owners in identifying and correcting usability issues. Is it necessary for testers to purchase products or services from the website they examine? No. You may be requested to complete the online store's checkout procedure, but most of the time, the scenario will instruct you to quit before pressing the final submit button. In any case, when running a test, you should not enter your real credit card information. Okay, over here, what equipment do I need to work as a tester and test websites for $10 per test? You'll need a machine that runs Windows or Mac. If you're using Windows, you'll need Windows 7 or later. Your computer should also include a microphone, either built-in or external, as most laptops have. If you need another microphone, even the cheapest one, which costs approximately $2, will suffice. Should I do a test using my real name and address? No. When doing a test, you should utilize a bogus detail. What should my first language be? You should speak in the test's language. You'll be sent tasks in your native language and occasionally in another language that you've marked as fluently spoken in your profile. So you shouldn't be required to talk in languages you don't understand. What is the purpose of the qualifying test and why should I take it? The qualifying test is a preliminary examination. Each new tester must place an order to ensure that they have a microphone and can communicate their thoughts while performing the assignments. Testers will earn the first grade based on this qualification test, which will determine if and how often they will be invited to paid usability testing. The qualification test is free, and it can be found at userfeel.com before we move on to the second website. Check out this URL right now and follow our advice for making money online. Go to honeygain.com for the second website. Honeygain, which promises passive income effortlessly. You may earn money by simply sharing your internet with Honeygain. Start earning right now. It's a simple method to generate passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a subscription to its streaming platform. Unlock special content in free-to-play video games or simply indulge in an online shopping spree. Earn money without jeopardizing your safety. Honeygain assures that only trusted partners have access to your internet traffic, and the program never requests for or acquires access to your device's storage. Know that your internet is being used for. Once you've installed Honeygain, your device will operate as a view tower, allowing world-famous companies to access the internet without worrying about location-based restrictions or censorship. This is how the app or website functions. Set it up. Honeygain can run up on any device that runs Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or Android. With a consistent internet connection, Honeygain run. Honeygain secures your internet connection once it is activated. You will never have access to your personal information. Allow it to gather. Honeygain makes use of your internet connection as well as publicly available information. Assist enterprises. This data is used by trustworthy businesses for online statistics, price comparison, and other validated business processes. Get compensated. User can select between receiving rewards in PayPal or Bitcoin for all of the traffic they provide. You may register right now to receive a free $5 registration bonus by clicking here. Go to moneyapp.org for our last app, and this is what it should look like. You can make money by completing simple offers on this app. This software is accessible on both iOS and Android, so if you're an iOS user, don't worry about bringing it with you. So, if you're an Android user, click this link, and if you're an iOS user, click this button, and it'll take you to the App Store, where you can now download the software, Money App, Cash and Rewards, App 12 Plus, and make money by completing simple chores. The best rewards app in the world. Get paid to complete tasks, give feedback, inspect store displays, mystery shop, test services, and participate in free trials. New assignments are added frequently, ensuring that you never run out of ways to earn money. You can do it whenever you want and devote as much or as little time as you choose. There are no pays quickly. No discount or gift cards are available. Your PayPal account is credited with actual cash. So how does it function? First and foremost, accomplish tasks to earn credit incentives. Second, you can exchange your credits for cash via PayPal. And third, you'll be paid within 2 to 3 business days. They have a 4.9 out of 5 ratings, which is the highest. And you can read all of the good reviews about this app here to prove that it is really legitimate and paying. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.